Are you striving to excel in your Islamiyat and achieve top marks in your AKU-EB exams? This comprehensive course equips you with a strong foundation in the Quran, Hadith, thematic studies, and Muslim cultures, all crucial aspects covered in the AKU-EB exams.
Explore the Quran's profound messages and its transformative power, with interactive word-by-word breakdown for deeper understanding.
Delve into the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, through authentic hadith, with clear explanations.
Gain insights into core Islamic beliefs and practices, essential for exam success.
Discover the rich artistic heritage of Muslim civilization.
Our user-friendly platform allows you to learn at your own pace and track your progress effortlessly. An in-depth Islamiyat material aligned with AKU-EB SLOs. An interactive word-by-word Quran and Hadith breakdown. A self-paced learning with quizzes and explanations. A simple language for clear understanding.
Join Mahida Academy's vibrant learning community and embark on a journey of self-discovery, deeper faith, and academic excellence.
Enroll today and unlock the doors to a more fulfilling Islamic experience and achieve top marks in your AKU-EB exams. Jazakumullahu khairan. May God reward you with goodness for your time.